No, that's second. I want to run out in front of him. Pizza Ranch? Huh? Pizza Ranch? You want to go to Pizza Ranch? I think we'll just cross the interstate. Oh, this is trippy. Huh? This is trippy.
Fast as it goes.
Thank you.
How fast?
50, 55.
That's fast enough, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No cops. Wait, bring our helmets in gonna be kind of weird, right?
I'll take it off when I go in.
At least when I'm filming. Gotta say, everybody likes your bike because it looks normal and it's, you know, a sport bike. Everybody likes mine because it's unique.
Yeah. People will comment on yours more.
Because it's special.
Special.
Beautiful. these here yours?
No, man.
Oh, okay.
You found them over there?
Oh, you messing them? Oh, yeah, I found them. They were sitting on the ground.
Oh, I appreciate it, bro.
That's there.
Hey,
I like your dog.
hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
My truck got stuck in the mud back here. You
Oh,
don't know
yeah?
anybody who can help out?
How bad?
Oh, probably need a vehicle to pull it out, yeah.
Oh, boy. We have a guy come in a truck in an hour can pull it out. You think we can push it?
I think with the strap, if I reverse it, they pull it, but an hour, we're gonna go somewhere, I think.
Oh, okay.
I appreciate it.
Okay, yeah. Anytime. Oh, man. Come on, we got a low battery already. Who did that? I don't want you guys.